Hey guys, we're going over something a little different to show you exactly how to get paid like this every single day. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to install KeePass. So if you have an Android phone, just open the Play Store and search for KeePass to Android. It looks exactly like this. It's made by this gentleman named Philip. So just make sure you're installing the exact same app so you don't have any issues, and just click install. Now if you have Windows, you can go to keepass.info, that's keepass.info, and install the program from there. And if you have a Mac or iOS device, then you want to install Bitwarden. That's also an open source password manager that you can use for your Mac or iOS device. Now we're going to be using KeePass in this video, so if you have a Mac or an iOS device, even though it looks different, you're going to have the same abilities, okay? So let's go to the next step. Alright, so we're going to create a new database, and over here we're going to change the location from a local file. Preferably, you want to have your database in the cloud, like in Mega, your own web server, OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Drive, something like that. So we can change the location and choose from these different options here. You can choose your own server if you want, which is really cool, and you have these other options if you have that, okay? But you want to have your database in the cloud, because if you lose your phone, or if your phone gets destroyed, your database is gone. And that's not good. So go through the steps to get your cloud storage, and then we're going to go to the next part. So now we're going to enter a memorable password. And I'm going to put in something here at least 20 characters long. The longer the better. At least that's what she said. But it has to be something that you can remember. This password and your cloud storage password are basically the only passwords that you'll need to remember for the rest of your life. Then we're definitely going to use a key file. This gives another layer of protection to your database, because your database is going to have financial information, personal information, so this needs to be really secure. You can choose an image, a PDF file, an audio file. You can use pretty much anything from your cloud storage or from a different device. It just has to be a file that's not going to change. Okay, that's very important. Your key file cannot be modified or edited. It has to be the same file 50 years from now. And understand this, there is absolutely no way to recover your master password for your database if you lose it or forget it. So now let's go ahead and create another folder for our crypto. We're going to choose this little key here, but you can choose any icon you want. Go into the crypto folder, hit the plus sign again, and create an entry called BitPay. Now we're going to do the most important part, which is creating a super strong password. The desktop version of this easily lets you create a 256-bit password, but on the phone application you have to specify how many characters you want. So you can still do a 256-bit password, but you have to do it manually. So let's enter 64 characters or more, all right, and that's a nice strong password. And let's put some of these other options here. So we'll put the minus and underscores and all that stuff, and you can add anything else you want. So there's no way anyone's ever gonna guess anything like this password, and it's gonna be super hard for advanced brute force attacks. Okay, so please use a super strong password, you know, with 64 plus characters, all right, random characters. Now, a lot of people, when you start looking at cryptocurrencies, they're going to start telling you to go to Coinbase or Xcoins and some of these, really popular cloud-based wallets and exchanges. But they're mostly doing that for the referral commissions. I mean, no security conscious professional would ever advise you to have large sums of cryptocurrency in a cloud-based wallet. No. That's super hackable, okay? It's not going to happen. That's not secure. The most secure Bitcoin storages are multi-signature hardware wallets. But the easiest process, especially for new people, is to use BitPay. So we're going to download the app. You can visit bitpay.com, or you can go to the App Store. But the cool thing we want to show you here is that BitPay also provides a MasterCard that links to your Bitcoin wallet. So when you start getting paid, you'll have a lot of options to use your Bitcoin. So let's go through some of these options. You can see they're promoting their MasterCard, and you can see some of the cryptocurrency values here. First, click on this wallet icon on the bottom, and we'll create our own wallet. Remember that super long password that we created in KeePass? Well, you're going to use that to secure your BitPay wallet. And you're going to record the 12 recovery phrases for your wallet, okay? Those recovery keys are super important, okay? Super important to keep secure. So you're going to put the 12 recovery keys shown into your KeePass database in the exact same order. Do that for all 12 words. Then you have to click save on the top of KeePass. Just click that little save icon. And when you finish saving all the words, you can pause this if you're not done. You won't be done, so pause this video. And when you come back, then we're going to verify that you have correctly recorded the recovery keys. Okay, so you're going to go back to your KeePass, you're going to double check, and you're going to collect the words, the recovery keys, in the correct order. So after you finish everything, recording the recovery keys, verifying that you really have them in the correct order, click confirm, and you have successfully created your new cryptocurrency wallet. Okay? Now, I'm going to say this again. Your recovery keys are the most important thing. Okay? No one should have access to them. They need to stay super secure. Okay? And that's why we got KeePass in the first place, because you're never going to remember those recovery keys. So that's why we got KeePass, so we can keep them super secure. And you never give them to anyone. All right? Never give it to anyone. This is also why your KeePass needs to have a key file and a nice, good password, something that you can remember, but still something, pretty long. Now let's go to the home page, and we're gonna buy some Bitcoin, okay? And look at this. Bitcoin has gone up in value 3% in one day. That's pretty normal for Bitcoin. All right, and almost 30% in 1 month. All right, at the time of this recording. That's amazing. Okay, the NASDAQ 100 in the same time frame is down 0.5%. The S&P 500 in the same time frame is only up 1/3%. Okay, even Tesla has been on a roll, skyrocketing. Tesla in the same time frame is down 2%. All right, so you want to buy at least $200 or so worth of Bitcoin. It's up to you. If you can only afford 50, buy 50. If you can afford 100, buy 100. But if you can afford more, you want to buy more because you end up paying less in fees. So if we put in 200, we have about 6% in fees. But if we put in 300 or 500, we have even less in fees. Now, just enter your debit card to avoid any extra fees. You don't want to use a credit card. You can, but you don't want to. Use a debit card. Enter your name, enter your info. You will have to verify your information. So make sure you enter your correct info. Now, most people will not have an issue with this process. But if you're a technically savvy person, all right, and you don't want anyone knowing how much Bitcoin you're buying or how much Bitcoin you have, then feel free to contact us for some other options. Now, Crypto 300, okay? Now we're going to log in to Crypto 300. They're going to give you one free crypto pack worth $10. So just go through the steps to get paid, all right? Now that regular pack pays about 0.5% every single day, okay? That's over 180% in 1 year. All right, so 0.5% seems low, but when you're talking about, pretty much over 20 times the S&P 500 average return, yeah, it's crazy. So premium packs, on the other hand, they pay 150% within 3 to 17 days. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click that 10%. This one says 30, but it could say 10, it could say 15, it could say 50% premium crypto pack. Okay, then click buy premium packs. Okay, you'll need to fund your wallet. Click add funds, and you'll transfer your Bitcoin that you just got into your Crypto 300 wallet. Now we'll enter the amount, I said 500, so we'll put 500 here, and you'll see a Bitcoin address to send your Bitcoin to. Now you must fund this payment quickly. The reason why is because Bitcoin varies a lot. Okay, it could go down 1%, it can go up 5%. Okay, so you want to fund the purchase quickly. Okay, and never use this QR code or the address ever again. Use it one time and one time only, and that's it. All right. Now, if you're using your phone, you can scan the QR code. If you're using the BitPay app, or you can just copy the Bitcoin address in green and paste it in your app. So let's go to our BitPay wallet. We're going to click send. Now we'll paste the Bitcoin address and enter your $200 or $50 or whatever it is, whatever amount it is, and click continue. Now remember to use your 256-bit, password to confirm the transaction. Then within 20 minutes or so, you're going to get a notification saying that the Bitcoin is in your Crypto 300 Club wallet. Okay, so now that your Crypto 300 Club wallet has been funded, we're going to log back in. We're going to go back to purchasing the premium packs. Always make sure it shows a percentage and that it's premium packs instead of regular crypto packs. Okay, click buy premium packs. Then you have to leave the default number there. That's fine. Click purchase. Click confirm. Then click get paid. All right, and go ahead, click that button. And just like that, you'll earn that percentage amount when you log in every day, up until you earn 150% on your initial deposit. So ideally, you want to use the money that you earn to buy more premium packs. At least for a few days, you want to keep buying more premium packs with the money that you're earning until when you go to withdraw, when your express withdrawal amount is at half your initial deposit or even 100% of your initial deposit, then go ahead and do an express withdrawal. Okay, so in this case, we'll enter $157.40. Okay, that's USD. So click withdraw, click confirm, and you're done. All right, so you only want to withdraw after a few days of buying premium packs, of reinvesting and compounding your money. Okay, this is going to help you gain the most in returns. And we want to show you with these financial details. We're going to show you this account in the financial details. So this account started with $300, 300 USD on August 1st. And they didn't log in every time. They didn't log in every day like they were supposed to. But within 2 weeks, regardless of that, within 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, that initial $300 will turn into $1,200. And look here, this account has already earned over 980 US dollars. And if this account keeps compounding and reinvesting the money that it's earning, okay, by purchasing more premium packs, then this account most likely is going to earn about $4,000 within 1 month. Probably more. It's possible that it can earn more. Okay, so visit the link in the description. Get your free crypto pack worth $10, 10 US dollars, okay? And follow these simple steps to start with an amount that you feel comfortable with. You do not need to deposit your life savings. Don't do that. That's ludicrous. Don't do that. Just use, maybe your vacation money, money you would have spent going out for dinner and drinks, okay? And then keep buying premium packs with that money until you can do an express withdrawal for your entire initial deposit or somewhere around there. Then you want to share your earnings. Look at this. You can share your earnings and help other people earn up to 50% every day as well. All right, guys, take care and be better.